kids, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my another learning video. Today we will learn about some words formed by the third letter in the English language, C. So let's begin. Today we will learn about some words formed by the letter C. See, this is the letter C. This is the third letter in the English language.
The first word we will learn about cat formed by the letter C. C is for cat. The next word we will learn is cow, formed by the letter C. See, the cows and other animals are eating grass. C is for cow. The next word we will learn about car, formed by the letter C. See, the cars are moving here, there. C is for car.
Hello kids! See, this is a cake, birthday cake. C for cake. Cake, another word formed by the letter C. Hello kids! See, this is a carrot. The rabbit is eating carrot. C for carrot. Carrot is another word formed by the letter C.
Hello kids! See, this is a cup I am holding. C for cup. Cup is another word formed by the letter C. Hello kids! See, this is a clock. It helps to say about time. C for clock. Clock is another word formed by the letter C. Hello kids! See, this is a crown. The king is wearing a crown. Crown is another word formed by the letter C. C for crown. That's right, C for crown. Bye kids!
Hello kids! See, this is a candy. The taste of candy is very sweet. Candy is another word formed by the letter C. C for candy. Hello kids! See, that is a castle. A castle is a large building with high walls and towers. Castle is another word formed by the letter C. C for castle.
Hello kids! See kids, those are clouds floating in the sky. Cloud is a mass of very small drops of water. C for cloud. Clouds are floating in the sky, kids.
See kids, this is a crab. Crab is a sea animal with a flat shell and 10 legs. Crab is another word formed by the letter C. C for crab. See kids, this is a camera. It helps us to click photos.
That's right, Momo.
Camera is another word formed by the letter C. C for camera. Great job, everyone. See kids, this is a candle. It helps us to light our dark room at night. Candle is another word formed by the letter C. C for candle. That's right, Momo. Hello kids, we have learned some words formed by the letter C. Now we will recap all the words one by one. So, kids, say with me and do the practice. Okay, kids, are you ready? Great. Let's begin.
See kids, I am holding a cat. C is for cat. Cat is so cute. Kids, these are cows. C is for cow.
Kids, see this? This is a car. The color of the car is red. I'm repairing the car. C is for car.
Kids, see, this is a cake shop. These are the cakes. C is for cake.
Kids, see, this is a carrot garden.
I'm collecting the carrots.
C is for carrot.
Wow, carrot! Kids, see, this is a cup I am holding. C is for cup.
Kids, see, this is a clock I am holding. C is for clock. The clock tells us the time.
See, kids, this is a crown I am holding. Crown is the next word.
Kids, this is a candy I am holding. Candy is the next word. The taste of candy is sweet.
See, kids, this is a castle. C is for castle. Kids, this is a crab. And see, in the sky, clouds are floating. C is for crab, and C is for cloud. See, kids, this is a camera. And C on the table, there is a candle. C is for camera, and C is for candle.
So kids, we have learned some words formed by the letter C. Now the time to end the video for today. Again, I will be here with you to learn more words, so
bye dears, and be healthy. And be healthy.